ewo takrade na ewo na mantam no so afo omo echese okokopie mu na dwuma mu no na ayare ho wantumi akwa ne office ni nyina ne se abaye dwumayefo ni bi a wo mo atetua na makatua ho sensem no wo man kompo no wabie ne office a obetumi akotena se ya dwuma Asante CLOGSAG atetua enti enemeyo awo Secondary Takrade Municipal Assembly Abdul Isa anopei wako ni office no na watumwa Civil and Local Government Staff Association for ati enti na dwumayefo ama woni Adom kase atwetwe nkomo no wode to dwase eno anwumre woni na dwumayefo yi kasa ya wode to nanim so bebe adwuma na nso oduru hono me na anopei no obi ye ni hono mu adan no so watoto ni nyina mu
do ene da ye hina ye te da CLOGSAG fo wose oboko strike na nyenyim da onye bibia oshada ye but anape meji de da bia nsu no so ka ho na wa support strike na ma strike no why strike nti mara meji na hey ma abupo mgbe mam my staff obiara mbei nti so gbotum wa ha meji na ha ma aka agbo echi nti mase won fa my staff embram so won wa akọ strike da me mon kọ strike na edwuma oda me ye no mon konke oh sir most bi na ajo ho de mo hwe na midi wodwuma nti ona mo kumeke di wodwuma se ahoho bi su baba ha na so de minwon zehia na minwon zehia na me za ma ba edwuma
na atuatie ni mu na no ye mfita krade nko Asante mantemu ehwo nso no ne sunsanso no ede hawo ebre omafo sanse bebre no ankwa adwuma na amadwuma nanka bi mu so wo so mokọ de kototo wo niema no wo bedru na obi ani ho no ma wo behwe ho asemaka ede amawo mo Adom kase abo amanboya no a ye de ma wo
Civil and Local Government Staff Association Ghana 20 FN CLOGSAG katuatia ka ho bi abenei Asante mantem ya bepi ha Municipal and District Assemblies adwuma anhyeda nkoso ho esanse modwumefo dodo na eye CLOGSAG ma Adom kase nto abom ene panyina wona etitani edema CLOGSAG ne fa ewo Asokwa Municipal Wura Dominic Frimpong kwabon komo.
So today as CLOGSAG we are on strike. And it has affected the municipal because majority of the staffs here fall under the CLOGSAG association. So we are not working here. You see us here, we are the executives, and we are here to make sure that those ones that also want to find their way here, we stop them from coming to do any work here because we want the government to hear us and hear us well so that we too will have a good condition of service that will make our life comfortable for us to be able to deliver good services to Mother Ghana.
Nenkase so na wo kire se wo masade ne se wo mu edwo sompa e ma wo manfo na so nei on akatua ho nsem na enkoye.
Our dreams, our vision is to deliver good services to our communities that we serve, and it's not for our good intention to send them away.
Ne krakra mu omoden krase fa Adom kase so e ma aban.
Our employer, we are with you. 2022, you entered an agreement with us to take CLOGSAG into a new salary structure. And that is all that we are requesting for. Implementation was to start in 1st January 2023. And we are in 2004, July, as we stand. No show. So all that we are seeking is that hear us. As you saw that we needed a new condition of service, so we need it now. So hear us so that we can come back and serve the good people of Ghana and help develop Ghana to the dream we all want to see.